Frustrated with our school system's method of standardized testing, Baltimore's youth dreamers share their alternatives and success stories in the new book, I Am Not a Test Score, Lessons Learned from Dreaming.
High school was hard. The biggest fear was not being able to qualify for graduation or not getting accepted into a four-year university or college. A part of it was my grades, but the worst part was the SATs and the ACTs. I took the ACT once and the SAT twice. It was the worst days of my life. The first time I took the SAT, I scored in the thousands. The second time, 1,100. It was not far enough to get me into a good school.
We have kind of like this little monster, which is like, it's the creature from one of those old horror movies that represents standardized testing and how it is swelled and mutated to the point that it now threatens to swallow our schools whole.
I refused to go to a two-year school. That was just not in my plans. So I decided to call one of the schools that I didn't get a letter back from, Salem College. I was honest and determined to create a bright future for myself. In the end, my first acceptance letter I received was from Salem College. So you see, I don't think that test scores should define who a person is and how smart they are. It is because of my family, Miss Allison Crooks, Mr. Ethan Percy, and Mr. Rodney Joyner, who supported me and believed in me throughout my process. I would not let them down because all of those people took a chance on me and knew that I could do it. I love them for that.